right, ladies and gentlemen, so this has been a truly moving experience, and it is, as I'm sure you've noticed, there are a lot of tears up here because this is our last show, and we've been working very hard for a while, and it is especially bittersweet for those seniors that we have here, who will be treading our boards for the last time on the Coe High School stage. So we would like to invite the seniors. Text 2, where are the senior texts? The senior texts are coming. Come on up, senior texts. And the seniors come forward, and they are going to take their final bow as members of a Coe Knights Theater Company. All right? The seniors.
I love you, Sarah!
Seniors, link up. And take your final bow.
My name is Colby, and I want to take a second to honor Miss Cod, Mr. Cod, Miss Motherwell, Abby, and Mr. Codwell for all of their hard work. Mr. Codwell been working with us for a long time. He's really helped us improve Miss Cod. He's been there for a long time, and she really loves us, and Mr. Cod. All of this is because of him. And Miss Motherwell, the tech is amazing, and Abby, the dancers are amazing. It's so much fun because of you guys. So thank you for all that you do for us.
Thank you so much for believing in me and growing me throughout the years. If I ever feel how much I've grown because of that. And I wouldn't be where I am today without you.
I said this earlier in my senior social chemistry, but I'll say it again. I came to high school confused, scared, didn't know what I was going to do. And then I was founded by Miss Khan, Mr. Cook, you miss him. And Mr. Khan, Mr. Codwell, Miss Motherwell, me, Abby. For being teachers, for being helpers, guiders, mentors. I don't know who I'd be or what I'd be without you, but I know I'm happy with who I am right now because of you.
You guys are everything a lot of us have wanted for a long time. And we couldn't appreciate you guys more. We couldn't love you more because that's all you did for us. All you did was love us. And we love you guys. And that's it.
This group of seniors are very special in that they have been here from the very start and the core to build a beautiful program from literally just the core 6 of them to what you see today. And coming in as freshmen, I had the pleasure and the honor to watch them grow into the beautiful artists that they have become today. And I couldn't be more proud of these beautiful seniors. and their future is very bright.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing this with us this evening, and thank you for your support. I think that they're going to get out of costume and meet everyone over there in the parking lot because they have a cast party to get to. Thank you.
The avalanche now.